How to buy Anime token on Trust Wallet. Now, before we start, this is not financial advice. I'm not professional or economic expert. Before investing in any project that you found on my channel, please do your own research. And also, there is a referral code down in the description. You can get free money rewards on crypto with the best referral code. Simply goes below, fund your account and enjoy the benefit. Check them out in the description. So to be able to buy this token on Trust Wallet, what you need to do, copy the token address from here. As you can see, this token address is under the Ethereum network. Now open your Trust Wallet for that, and as you can see here, scroll down and you'll find the manage crypto. Click on it. Now after that, click on this plus icon and now select the Ethereum as a network from here. Now keep scroll down and you'll find the Ethereum as you can see. This is now paste the token address here. As you can see, this is our token called Animecoin. Click on add token to your wallet. So click on it. So as you can see here, you will see the buy option. Click on buy option, and as you can see, you need to fill your wallet by some USD first. And now as you can see, click here and you can now buy this token via or using the USD. But there is another option. It's by having it on another wallet. From there, send it to this wallet. Now to be able to copy the withdrawal address, click on it and now click on this receive. So click on proceed anyway, click on it again, click on here to copy the withdrawal address, and now go to that wallet that you have that token on and now paste that withdrawal address and click on send to receive it on Trust Wallet. So this is how to buy Anime token on Trust Wallet. If you found this very helpful, please like and subscribe. See you next video.